Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your TikTok account without email or phone number, right? So you have to just go to your TikTok account, and after that it will be in the home, but you have to go to your profile and you have to click on sign up here, right? And you obviously you don't have a phone number or email address, otherwise you could have login. So just click on the login. You can log in from this methods, but as we stated, we don't have any email or phone number, right? So you can just continue with the Instagram if your TikTok account was connected with the Instagram or Twitter or Google. But if you can't do any of this, you have to just click on the question mark which is on top right side corner, and after that we have to wait for a few seconds here just to get load. And after that we have to click on login in, that is the first option, right? And after that we have to again wait for some few seconds, and here you get the option to log in into 3 the 4 option, that is Instagram, email, phone number. We don't have a phone number, email. You can try the Instagram, but if you don't have an Instagram, you can just try the TikTok username, right? So if you remember your TikTok username, you can just do it, and after that you can just do it, right? So this is pretty easy, guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did like this video right now, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.